So here's number 6. This is on my homework assignment. This is another multiple choice one. They're asking you to graph this piecewise function. So again, what I suggest is you look at each part. And what I mean by that is the top one I'm going to think about first. So remember, this is just like a y equals equation, y equals mx plus b. So our y-intercept is 3, and our slope is negative 5/7. So I'm going to graph that line first. So here we go. Our y-intercept was a 3. So if I was doing this on my notebook, like I imagine a lot of you are, this is the process I would go through. I'm going to go down 5 because it's a slope of negative 5/7. I'm going to go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then over 7. That's 6, 7. So I'm going to go over there, and then I'm going to draw a line, right? But this is a piecewise function, so we have to go back. So all right, I've accomplished that. I've drawn that line. But this says for x less than 7, smaller than 7. So for this graph, it really should have stopped right here, okay? My line shouldn't have extended past that point because that's where x equals 7 is. And that's where the other line takes over, okay? So if we look back up at that piecewise function, I'm done with the top part, okay? I'm done with that. This second half is, again, you can think of it as a y equals mx plus b equation, but there is no slope. The slope is 0. So it's just a horizontal line at -2. So a horizontal line at -2 would normally just look like that. But they're telling you specifically that this graph is for greater than or equal to 7. So we shouldn't have that whole line there. It should be starting at 7 and going on forever that way. So that's sort of what the graph looks like. You know, in my math lab, the answer is B, but yours is going to be a different graph, different selections, I'm sure.